So, hello, creatures. How are you all today? Welcome back to another video. So, in this video, I will show you. This is the second part of creating our maze game. So, just like this is my maze game that I have already created. Now, for you, I'm gonna create a maze game. Some things here. It will be half of how we can create half maze game right now. So let me open my script and create. So here what we'll do is that we'll just delete the sprite and create a sprite. Actually here you can see I have created the sprite that is the level. So we'll also create this sprite. I'm doing this. You can see this is the sprite and this is the background. So here design. And now I will here do one thing. I will just change the color, so it should be dim. Okay, done. And now I will create here. You can see some of the walls here, and yes, like this. Now another one. So here's my another one. Yes, this is it. Now last one. After this we will do one thing. We will just create just like here I have created some signs here, and these will be the maze actually inside it, and I will also create them. And like this, there is this thing and some of other things, and there is a great. So to make it attractive, I will also make some of the dots here, and you can see also I will make some other designs here, and that will be like the circle. I will create some circles here, and so that it will be more attractive. And here is, so I am making it attractive so that it will look good, and this is it. So I created here some of the maze, and you can see now it looks like a maze. So somehow it looks like a maze. After that you can see here it is not in a good position. So for that you can see here I have got x62y18. So let me just first of all do one thing. I will, when green flag is clicked, so you will change the position in motion blocks, and here go to x this time 62 and 18. If it is 62 and 18, done. Now let me see. No, it's not. It should be like this. Okay, yeah. So what is the position here? Actually it shows x is 6, y is -4. So go to x6, y is -4. Minus. Now when the green flag will be clicked, it will be in this position. Okay, after that what I had done in my project is here you can see. So let's do this after we create the game. So I have also created another sprite which is named as player. So it was player. Let me right here a player. So create a design a sprite, and I will make a player. So what I need to do is to create a player. we are done. And now how I will create this flare is first of all I will zoom in. So after that, what we are gonna do is to create a rectangle. Oh, sorry, here is the outer line. Nothing. Okay. So let's make it more larger. And after that, what we will do is now we will cut. It should be like a triangle. So for that I will just uh, go this, and now you can see somehow it's like that. And now let's voice and play. Oh. Now let's size is good. Somehow it's good. No. It's a little bit difficult, but not at all. Okay, so you can see I have created it, and here it is. And let me do a little bit editing in this. Now it's ready. After that, what we will do is you can see here it's this, and now what I have to do is you can I have to just go to coding part, and here you can see when the green flag is clicked, go to x0y0, set rotation style all around, point in direction 45. First of all, what will happen when the green flag will be clicked? As you know, the maze will be at the center, and this position it will be maze. And what the player will the let me name it as here you can see it's player. So player done. After that, when green flag is clicked, what we will do, go to x, it's 0 0. Let me show. See, yeah, it is a good position for the sprite. So yeah. After that, what will happen is the here you can see the player is not visible. So for this, I will just move to this. Okay, done. Now this is the player. You can see here. Set rotation style all around. So what it will do, it will set means to set the rotation style to all around, all to all around the maze. Here it's done. Now after that, point in direction 45. So here we will go to point in direction. Here it is, and it will be 45. 45 done. After that, set ghost effect to 100. We'll do this in our next video, but in this video we are gonna do this key. What means this set ghost effect? I will say this in our next video. You'll understand that well. And what happens when I click on green flag here? The maze also gets disappeared, and the player also gets because here. How this happen, I will show this in your next video. And now we'll do these like these keys. When these keys are pressed, what will happen? So first of all, when the if forever, will make a forever control block and forever, and here we will choose the if then block, and if then the key, it's a left arrow key is pressed. So what do you think the player should be doing? What the player will do is it will just turn left. Okay, so if the left arrow is clicked, turn left 3 degrees. Then you can see also here is like this, and now then if then you can see here, if then like this it is, if then the right arrow key is pressed. And then turn 3 degrees right. Done. Okay. After that, moving upwards and downwards, so that will be also done. And after that is if key up arrow pressed, I have created my own block here. Before that there was done. Before that there was change x by. Here you can see. I will first of all I will show you this without creating a variable. We will create the variable in upcoming videos, not in this video, because you will not understand that well why we created it. So when the down arrow key is pressed, what you will do, you will change y by minus 10, minus 10 or 5, it's your choice, minus 5, and I get the minus 5. I will duplicate this and will keep it here once again. And if the up arrow key is pressed, then change y by 5. Here you can see I created variable, so this is not on the base. I add the variables. Let me see how it works. You can see it's turning. When I click upward, it goes upwards, and here downwards. Okay. Now what happens here is when I click on, when I turn here, it goes upwards. When I go here, it always goes upwards. So it should turn the location should not be good upwards only, it should be on based on arrow. So for that you can see I have here created, when the up arrow key is pressed, move to, I had defined what means move to. Switch costume to hitbox, set rotation style, don't rotate, try move steps, and here switch costume to player, set rotation style all around. What are these all blocks here? They will confuse you. So to make it simple to understand, for understanding it, uh, we will create some of the variables in our next video so that our maze game should look more attractive and it should be more fun. Okay, so here I will show you how it will work when we will create this fully here. It will work like this, but very it will be, and you can see when and this is off. Now in our next video we'll be learning about how we can create the variable our own blocks and things. So stay tuned. Goodbye.